In this video, I will show you how to link a subscription from the Azure China Cloud to an existing Azure Virtual Desktop deployment. So Nerdio Manager version 3.0 and newer now supports 3 different clouds where session host VMs can run. Obviously, it supports Azure Global, which is where most deployments are provisioned. It supports Azure US Government, and now it also supports Azure China Cloud. The architecture to keep in mind is that the WVD or the AVD deployment itself, so all of the AVD resources, host pools, app groups, and session host registrations must exist in the Azure Global Cloud. However, you can create the actual VMs, their disks and networking, and run them in the Azure China Cloud. The configuration is rather straightforward and simple, and everything is done on the settings Azure environment page. We will simply go to the Azure subscriptions tile right here. We're going to click on link using app credentials. And this is going to give us an option to link an Azure subscription from either the Azure Global, also known as the commercial cloud, Azure US Government, or Azure China. In our case, we'll select Azure China. We will provide our tenant ID from Azure China. We'll provide the subscription ID here, and we will provide an app registration with the secret that was generated. All of the details on how to create an app registration is available by clicking this KB link right here, and it will show us how to create a new app registration, what permissions to assign to it, and then we take all of these settings, paste them in here, click OK, and then a new subscription becomes available for us to use. Once that subscription is available, we can go ahead and we can link any networks and resource groups within that subscription. And once those resources are linked, then we can configure host pools, desktop images, Azure NetApp files, or any other resources that are available for Azure China. So this is really easy to link up an Azure China subscription into an existing Azure Virtual Desktop deployment by creating an app registration and linking it from the Azure environment page in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise, starting with version 3.0. I will see you in the future video.